Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately. Unlock your Redmi and make sure essential data is saved because rebooting will close apps. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. This is the trigger you must use. Once the menu shows, do not tap Restart. Press and hold the power off option for about 3 seconds. You do this because MIUI traps that long press to invoke safe mode. When a confirmation appears, tap OK to begin the safe mode reboot. When the phone reboots, you'll see a safe mode watermark in a corner. This confirms third-party apps are disabled. Once done, unlock the device with your PIN or pattern. You can now test stability, uninstall problematic apps, or clear caches. Make sure to check settings apps for recently installed items that caused issues because safe mode isolates system behavior. If you need to run diagnostics, do them now. Battery, performance, and app crashes are visible without interference from downloaded. To finish, reboot normally. Press power and choose Restart. The phone will boot without safe mode. If it returns to normal, you're done. If it keeps booting into safe mode, uninstall recently added apps one by one and restart after each removal, because one of them likely triggered it. If the option remains stuck, power off and hold volume up plus power to access recovery and clear the cache partition. This can resolve boot flags. If all else fails, contact support for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.